Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. This video features a straight mid skin fade with a textured top on a busy morning at the shop. This is a regular client, not a model. The final shot of this haircut I saved for last, so make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, and comments will help this video gain traction so that others can watch it and learn. Now before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's begin.
The first step is to establish the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 32 ACP by Caliber. For the next step, remove the hair from underneath the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 22 Stinger by Caliber. The next step is to remove the guideline. To do this, I fully extend the blade on the clipper, and each time I pass through the section, I close the blade just a little bit and repeat the same step. I keep doing this until the line is erased. For this exercise, I'm using the 50 cal mag by Caliber. Attach an 8 guard and fully extend the blade. Go straight up with this guard. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. For the remainder of this blend, I'll be using the 44 FMJ by Caliber. Attach a 7 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 6 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 4 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 3 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 2 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Avoid cutting the hair at the top of the blend. Attach a 1/2 guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. Now it's time to clean up your lineup with a straight razor. The next step is to add texture to the top with sliding shears. your skin fade looks like this or better, you have done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. The clippers and trimmers in this video have all been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.